What is up, guys? It's Harvey here, giving you a quick, it's gonna be quick, this GoPro's killing my head. It's just a quick bash around in a Mark 4 RS 200 EDC as a POV Drive. Because yeah, I thought I'd do this while I've got the car today. I'll actually try and get a better angle to pull out of this bloody junction. There we go. So yeah, I want to quickly go on the country road and give it a bash. So yeah, I've already done a review on this car. I don't know if I uploaded this before or after, and a comparison to the RS 200 I used to have, the Mark 3. This being the EDC, the automatic. I don't know why the GoPro looks so wonky on my head, but oh well. So yeah. This has got an ITG Induction kit fitted with a center res delete, so you get the pops out the back, the DSG farts, and you also get the induction noise, which I'll try and see if you can hear now. I'll turn the windows out so you can hear it. It might say wind noise. You might have heard it, you might not have. So yeah, I'll just quickly take it. Almost like it's only got to be like a 6 to 7 minute video. I also want to find a decent B-road to show you it working. I'm not overly confident in this car. It's not my car, it's my girlfriend's. I drive it a fair bit, but I'm not going to do silly things in it. So yeah, it picks up nice. It's a nice engine. Never had any issues. So yeah, that's always good. Yeah, we're stuck behind a bloody hay lorry at the moment. It's a nice Mercedes. Jesus Christ. It's very nice. Loads of traffic. Everyone's gonna wonder why I've got a GoPro on my head. Turning up there. I'd love to turn up there, I don't know where that goes though. Try and get a pop here for you, I'll be able to floor it. So yeah. That was to 60 then, it's not too bad, not too shabby. You can hear, picks up nice, it revs out nice, it's a nice sounding car to be honest. It's not too loud in here, but on the outside I know it is fairly loud on them up changes. And them farts, them DSG farts, or EDC farts. There's an electronic dual clutch system in this, that's what EDC stands for. Are fairly loud, so that's always nice. But yeah, it goes, it's a nice car to drive, I enjoy driving it. So yeah, it's nice if you're not like too into being absolutely, it's not like a massive enthusiast car, but it's a nice sports car, it's a decent car, nevertheless. I think if I'm on the right road I might be able to turn right in a minute. I think this GoPro is killing my head. Yeah, some nice pops as well on the overall it's got, just from factory that is, but this is running standard power, this is, so yeah. I say, some people say the paddles are delayed, but I'll press the paddle, I'll show you when I've pressed it, and then you'll try and hear the engine get down. Press. It's not that delayed. It's not too bad at all. I mean, most of the time I use it in automatic mode, unless I, because it's got obviously, what do you call it? Why can't I think of what it's called? Kick down. If you press the accelerator all the way down, it'll kick down a gear or two to whatever you need. do that. I just started hesitating. Yeah, it gets loud in here when you're going like 6,500. Fun car though, very fun car. Also, this is hooning it. It can daily drive like easily. So it's a nice power for the size of the car, I'll tell you that. It's not like crazy, but it's nice. You can feel it. It talks to us a tiny bit to the right, but it's not like too bad. I haven't had a good hoon in a car for ages with my Subaru being down. Yeah, that's nice. It's a nice pull. Let's go and fill this up after. A wheel span a bit there. As if take it out of sports mode. That's cruise for now. So yeah, it's a really nice car. I hope that bit of you know, hooning gave you enough to see what the car's like. It's also got more potential. You can get more power. This is standard power. You can get way more power out of these than the standard because it's been a turbo car. But yeah, it's a nice base to work from. They are decent cars. It's just a shame but I just don't feel as connected to the road. It's very light stern, as you can see. But I mean, it's good for what it, you know, good for what it is. And great if you want just a performance car, but still be able to use it as a daily. Like, whereas my Subaru, that's a performance car and daily and that gets expensive. Whereas this, you can have fun in it and it can be a daily. It does everything. Subaru, I mean, it's designed to be a daily. It just uses a lot of fuel and it's expensive when it breaks. Whereas these aren't too bad. It still picks up fast, that's not sport mode as well. So yeah, it's good. I think I know where I am. Let's go to a petrol station to fill my girlfriend's car back up. yeah, for B-road bashing, it feels great. It really does. It still feels tight. I think it's just obviously if I'm used to the RS 200 when I had that, and that felt so much tighter and just steering wise, a lot more feedback, but this it's easy to go around the roads. You just feel a lot more, feels a bit loose, as in like the steering, because the steering input is lighter, but it's all personal preference and stuff like that. It's a great car though. It's weaving in and out of these bends easily. Screams up. It is decent. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here anyway. It's a decent length video for the POV Drive. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's gave you an insight on the cars. Obviously I've got other 2 videos of this car as well. I don't know if they've come out before or after this. Of the comparison to RS200 and also like a review, only basic review, not anything in depth. Just want to get some content out before while the Subaru's away, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let's do one last send up here in sports mode. I'm going to fill there you go. Yeah, nice bit of kit. It's decent. Right, see